Do I understand well, Ajahn, that you say if I try to understand right livelihood, it doesn't make sense?
Because you say, I'm trying, it's the I.
There's no try. Yeah.
Until no I. At moment of trying, it's a reality. Viriya cetasika. And when we heard about viriya cetasika, we would like to know what it is. But it's there now, at moment of trying. See, it's there. It's not I, but it tries. It tries. So no matter what is there, it is a reality. No one there at all. Until there can be a moment of directly understanding the moment of trying. A reality. It's not like or dislike. It's just a reality. Only that. So understanding can arise at any moment, not at will, not by trying, but understanding little by little to let go ignorance that it's I. In truth, it's just a reality, beginning to understand whatever is there. Not trying to understand it more, because understanding has to develop gradually, so very gradually. In a day, when there's no proper conditions to just think about, it's there, a reality, hardness. Can hardness be known? Should it be known? Otherwise it's not known, right? Even hardness, it seems so natural, hardness, but it's a reality. It's conditioned reality. And that moment, there must be the reality which arises and experiences it at that moment. Otherwise, it cannot appear. But now it's hard, it appears. So we know that it's a reality, but not enough. It has to be the characteristic of hardness is known. Not just hardness is hard, it's their hard. But the moment of the hardness is then known.
When it is experienced, then it is known.
So now we can talk about anything as much as can be known. Manasikara, can it be known right now or not yet? Be truthful to the truth will lead to a little more letting go from effort. And the understanding right now is the path. Right understanding, let go ignorance and attachment. Beginning to understand the moment of understanding is the moment of letting go ignorance and attachment. Nothing to be done by anyone at all.
Nothing to be done.
Only reality, different characteristics arises performing its function, that's all. Effort arises to be effort. Nothing to be done because effort is conditioned to arise and performs its function and form. Who can do anything? Oh, it's there already now. Seeing is there already by condition. Thinking is there already by conditions. Nothing to be done. It's there already. What is lack is understanding the truth of that which has arisen and now appears. The opposite of ignorance is right understanding. No one try to have awareness and direct understanding of what is there. Only the development of right understanding from hearing, considering, developing to know what is there is right now. Nothing to be done. It's there already and it's gone already. And it's there again by conditions and then gone already. So whereas I, at moment of seeing, nothing but seeing and that which is seeing, no one there. Before seeing, there's no seeing. Where's the I? At moment of seeing, and then seeing gone, unknowingly. So the I is there, unknowingly. Because of ignorance, no understanding of seeing, as it is just a moment, not permanent. Before it's there, it's not there, and then it's there, and then gone. Nothing can be taken for something permanent or someone. Just have confidence of the truth, not to try to do anything, but listen carefully. Wise attention. All dhammas are anattā. Anattā, no one. All dhammas. Until seeing is there, not I who sees anymore. It's just a moment of experiencing that which is seeing, and then both gone. So very rapidly, very quickly,